When you're looking into landing page software, FlexOffers might come up as a potential solution. But before you make a purchase, it's important to know exactly what you're getting into. In this video, we're going over 12 key things to consider about FlexOffers to help you decide if it's the right choice for you, especially when compared to other platforms out there. First thing, FlexOffers provides an extensive affiliate network with over 12,000 advertisers, making it a solid option for those looking to monetize their landing pages. However, when you compare it to something like Lead Pages or Unbounce, FlexOffers doesn't offer as much customization in terms of page design, so you'll need to weigh that trade-off. Next thing, their affiliate program is robust, offering various payout structures, but the platform can feel overwhelming to beginners. For someone just starting out with landing pages, the learning curve is steeper compared to simpler tools like Wix or Instapage. The third thing to know is that FlexOffers integrates with multiple email marketing tools, which is great for automation. However, many competitors such as ConvertKit or MailChimp offer more seamless integrations and user-friendly features, making it easier to set up automation from the get-go. Now, the fourth thing, FlexOffers offers detailed reporting and analytics, which can be a huge benefit for those tracking affiliate performance. But when you compare it to something like ClickFunnels, the reporting can feel a bit basic, especially if you're looking for in-depth customer insights or A/B testing data. The fifth thing to mention is FlexOffers has a mobile-friendly platform, which is crucial for capturing leads on the go. But again, platforms like Lead Pages are known for their superior mobile optimization, making it a more reliable choice for mobile-focused campaigns. Next up, the sixth thing. FlexOffers provides a variety of landing page templates, but they aren't as dynamic or modern as what you get with competitors like Unbounce. If you're someone who wants polished, ready-to-use designs, other platforms might have the edge here. The seventh thing to consider is their customer support, which, while generally responsive, can sometimes be slow during peak hours. Compared to other services with 24/7 live support like Instapage, this could be a deal breaker for those who need constant access to help. The eighth thing you'll want to know is FlexOffers pricing. It's not the most expensive platform out there, but it's also not the most affordable. If you're just starting with landing pages and don't need advanced features, you might find cheaper options like MailerLite or System.io offering a better value. The ninth thing, FlexOffers does allow for custom domain integrations, which can make your landing pages look more professional. However, if you're looking for something that's super easy to set up with no technical hassle, platforms like Lead Pages might offer a smoother experience. The 10th thing to know is FlexOffers focus on affiliate marketing. While great for monetization, this might not be ideal for those looking to use landing pages primarily for lead generation or other types of conversions, where alternatives like ClickFunnels could provide more tailored features. The 11th thing, while FlexOffers offers some form of automation, it's not as intuitive or automated as some of the top platforms out there. Services like Kartra or ClickFunnels streamline automation, making it easier to set up email sequences and follow-ups with less effort. Finally, the 12th thing to know is that FlexOffers can be a good choice if you're in the affiliate marketing business and need an easy way to create landing pages with integrated affiliate offers. But if you're looking for a more well-rounded, user-friendly option that includes everything from landing pages to sales funnels, we recommend checking out our top pick, which you can try for free. In conclusion, FlexOffers is a solid option for affiliate marketers, but it may not be the best solution for everyone. If you're after a more intuitive, comprehensive tool that covers all your landing page and funnel needs, our recommended platform is definitely worth considering.